Hi guys, it's been a while. We're going to be kicking it off with hydrogen and chlorine. The first step is perform the experiment in a well vented area. Keep a pitcher of water nearby. We got that. Check. Perform the experiment in a well vented area. Prepare a pitcher of water. Step 2, sodium chlorine, NaCl.
Right here.
And sodium hydrogen sulfate NaHSO4 can react to produce hydrochloric acid HCl, but not when dry. Take one big spoon of NaCl and put it in the flask. That's what I'm gonna call it.
Trouble opening this. Oh, okay, I didn't have that much trouble. One big spoon. Okay.
So now that he has one big spoon in it, put sodium hydrogen, one big spoon in the flask. Probably a little bit more.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. Step 3, oh my god, I hate this word. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, in turn can react with magnesium dexoide, MnO2, to produce chlorine Cl2. To produce HCl and make it react with MnO2, you need to dissolve the reagents in water. Okay? Put the whole bottle into this. Yeah.
It looks like little seeds. So
once you put the whole thing in, you're gonna have to put the syringe of water. I got it. You put the syringe of water in.
And also you have to have 3 milliliters in your syringe.
And you're gonna have to mix it around. It doesn't say how long, but just mix it around until it looks like something different. Do you want me to mix it?
I got it.
Can I mix it?
Sure.
That sound though, it's so satisfying. Okay. Now that we have it mixed up, step 4, you'll need some heat in order to start the reaction to produce chlorine. The candles can provide just enough heat before heating the beaker, apply some potassium iodide Ki to help you detect the merging chlorine. So we're gonna have to put that big boy on. Wait. Take the
Yeah, I thought we were supposed to hold that.
Okay, we're back. We just have to talk about something. So first part of this step, you take the Ki and put some drops on the filter paper. 2 drops. 1, 2. Then you put the filter paper. Wait. You You have to put the filter paper on top of the flask. Step 5. The reaction begins when you light the candles. You can determine the presence of chlorine by observing the color changes in the Ki spot on the filter paper. First part, take off your gloves, take a stick, light it on fire, and then wow. Then you light the stick on fire. Then light the candles from underneath. Oh my gosh, you can smell it. It looks like I think we're gonna have to, don't we have to, okay, you got all of them, dip it in the water. Oh, dip it. Keep it in there, keep it in there. Okay, so do not inhale the emergent gas. Wait about 5 minutes. So you're gonna, at 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna unpause it.
That's how you stop it again.
So there's like this brownish color. Let it focus. See that brown? That brown is what these chemicals that we just put in are making. So yeah, it's like getting browner and browner. And then soon, it says right here that like another 3 minutes after this, it's gonna look a little bit lighter. So from the last time we saw it, it was like really dark, and now it's like a faded color. And we're gonna put some water in it, water right there inside of it, and switch out this paper for a new one. They use this, one second. Can't really see it, but yeah. Okay, so now it's all the way gone. Like, there's no brown or faded at all. It's fully gone. Okay, so now we're on step 6. This is the second to last step. We have to extinguish the candles on the bottom. So, Jesse, blow them out. Okay. After you extinguish them, we're going to take off the filter paper. Be careful. And pour in the water until the 50 milliliter line. I can't see that because I'm on this side. I'll sit down. Whoa. Don't touch it. There. And we're going to put a new filter paper on, but this time we're going to put 1 drop of thionyl blue. No, wait, on the paper. Oh, yeah. 1 drop. There. Now put the thionyl blue on top of. And wait 10 to 15 minutes. Wait, what are we lighting on fire? Oh, you don't need to light it. Okay.
I don't know.
So now we're gonna wait No. 10 to 15 minutes.
It's turning purple.
And for, oh, it's purple. Okay, so it looks like a purple color now. I really don't know why. I'm reading this okay, so step 7 says thymol blue turns yellow / red in the presence of acid. So the acid, the acid gas that's coming up is making the colors different. Okay, so we might have done something wrong because it says it's going to turn yellow, but instead it turned purple.
It stayed
purple. It kind of looks way better from what it shows on the thing, on the step. But that's going to be the end of our video.
See ya.
See ya.